Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off get notifications within Discord on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click notifications, and here as you see you'll find get notifications within Discord. Just click like this and it will be turned off, and that's it. That's how to turn off get notifications within Discord on your account on Discord. Easy and quick, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.